This is the situation of Lagos, Maryland right now. Maryland don full water, everywhere is filled up. You get? If you know you are going to Maryland today, abeg, make you know as you dey waka o. Everywhere is filled up like this. Oh my God. If you know you are going anywhere, mostly people in Lagos, here is Maryland. Know your route, know where you are passing, because this place is already filled up. You can see this pikeman now.
I swear to God,
he can't move, and this machine now, you have to work on it. So please guys, know where you are going today. Everywhere is filled up.
You go match fire.